Tanong pa rin sa DOE, hindi po ba na kapag may emergency or may calamity, tulad yun, state of energy emergency, hindi ba automatic na hindi puputunan ng kuryente kung hindi makabayad on time?
Actually, Madam, there's no policy as of now, but we will look into that. What we did during the emergency, in order to regulate the cost, is when we have, together with ERC, made the administered pricing effective for at least, I think, the first month of the emergency, Madam Chair. Mr. Chair.
So, posibleng gawin na default yung no disconnection muna habang may calamity or emergency. Pwedeng kasama ito sa pag-aaralan nyo?
Yes, ma'am.
For the record kasi, Mr. Chair, gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, naghahain po ako kahapon lang ng Senate Bill 2361 na naglalayong bigyan ng kapangyarihan ang gobyerno na magtakda ng presyo ng kuryente kapag may state of emergency or may calamity. Ang panukalang ito ay gagawing automatic ang no disconnection policy kapag nga emergency or calamity, deferred payment scheme, at saka yung sabi ng Meralco, pag-aaralan nila pagbabawal sa disconnection habang pinoprotesta ang di umanong maling bill.